I'm back. Okay, I'm back. Interrupting the broadcast. Emergency, but it's all good. So anyway, I'm going to announce to you something that Norwex has just announced. It is a way for you to have your own home-based business opportunity. Okay, so for you to be able to provide flexibility for your home, for you to be able to provide income for your home along the same way, while making an impact on somebody else's life. Okay, and that's the beauty of what we get to do as Norwex consultants. They just announced this. Now they've done different options on how to start in the past. This is a no sales requirement opportunity with still being able to double dip. Okay, so in the past they haven't ever been able to double dip, but here is how you can do it. So I'm going to show you. All right, so normally the Safe Haven 5, which we talk a lot about during the parties, it has the top 5 products. It'll have the EnviroCloth, the window cloth, the dusting mitt, and the cleaning paste, and then the laundry detergent. The difference between this one, normally this costs $115 with the laundry strip detergent. They're switching out the powder laundry detergent with the strip, and you can get it for $69, while also getting a business opportunity. So you're going to get a Norwex, website of the sort. So I think it's awesome. But you don't have the sales opportunity. You don't have the sales requirement. Okay. So you're going to get this box for $69 as opposed to $115 with the laundry detergent strip. Okay. You also then have the option of submitting $1,000 in 30 days if you want to. And if you do, you still get the option of the double dipping, which is you still get the original, starter kit, which includes the mop system. And that's it. So you guys just feel free to message me or direct, text me. You have my number anytime. And just let me know, is this something that, you might are kind of wondering? What I do is I like to talk with you. I like to ask some questions, what your vision is, where do you see yourself in 12 months? Where do you see yourself going? And then we talk through some challenges. What might be stopping you? What from actually getting there? And we work through those. And if I think that you might be a good fit for this, or you think you might be a good fit for this, then we, help you move forward. So anyway, it is an awesome, no obligation type of conversation, but it's just for you to be able to explore. So just message me if you're interested. Enjoy the rest of your Christmas. Enjoy the rest of this month in the Healthy Homeland. We are having a holiday song trivia, and so as you engage and as you participate, then I will be pulling a winner from all of this. And it's super fun. It leads us up to Christmas, and it just makes it super fun. So I hope to see you guys in the Healthy Homeland group, and in the newsletters. If you'd like to be included in the newsletters, just message me if you haven't been receiving one. Otherwise, I'll see you there, and I'll see you in this group. All right.